Ambic started 32 years ago with a £200 overdraft and a bag of tools and a bench made from scrap timber. We had the opportunity to make some drawing boards for a client, which got the business started. We were fortunate then to be able to make computer trolleys for Gateshead Education Authority, which helped us get into the education market. The reputation from selling those allowed us to make computer suites and other education furniture, on which we built the business and the reputation one job at a time. It's taken us 32 years to get in the starting line with a reputation, a good range of products, a factory full of modern equipment, the knowledge how to make it, and the assurance that we know what we're doing. We invest an awful lot of money into new equipment, and over the years we've started from a one-man business and we're now a 40-man business. And recently we've invested an awful lot of money into new production facilities. In the past, furniture was always corners, dead easy, because people can cut a corner and weld it together. You can cut a square bit on a wood, no problems at all. But it's not what the children want anymore. Children want and need curved furniture. It's so much nicer. I mean to say, if you look at in your living room, everything in your living room now is now curved. Even the television is bent in the middle if you've got an expensive television. But curves are the important bit. Now, we have the CNC woodworking equipment at the far end will make curved bits of wood with no problems at all. In fact, it'll cut a curve just as easy as it'll cut a straight edge, because it cuts every millimetre to the next instruction. We invest in equipment. We don't invest in the shiny cars in the car park or the foreign holidays. We invest in the equipment, because that is what is going to build a future for the business. And it's working well, because we have some very happy customers. In fact, we have some testimonials that other companies would die for.
I'm Jonathan Taylor. I'm the marketing manager at Ambic, but I'm also dealing very heavily with sales. I tend to respond to a school or a client or a contractor's request in that they call me to site and I go and listen to what it is that they might have a problem with. A lot of the time they've seen something in a catalogue that they like the look of, but it isn't quite right for them, and we need to make it so that it is exactly right for them. If they're going to be spending their hard-earned cash, we want to make sure that the thing that they're buying is going to not only serve them well, but it's going to last for many years to come. So I'll visit site, listen to what they have to say, discuss it with them to try and find out the depths of exactly what it is they're after, and then I'll come away from site and either using my draftsman downstairs or draw it up myself. We'll draft and design your items of furniture so that we know that it can be manufactured easily, but also so that it meets the needs of the client.